Alright, this is going to be a little bit of a different video here. I'm not actually going to make a full video on this, but I figure you guys might be interested to see some of this stuff. So, we're working on the 5-ton military truck, and what we're doing right now, we got the Volvo 140 here. We're going to pick the bed off. And the reason we're picking the bed off is that's supposed to be straight, and that's the hinge point for the dump bed, and it's basically ripped off the dump body frame. So I got all the pins pulled out already, and I just thought, you know, let's turn the camera on and get a little bit of footage of this, and we'll probably put it in as just like a random work around the shop video. I got some other little projects I've done and I filmed that aren't really worthy of a full video, so we'll throw it in there. Pin was in by this much. Well, now we got to flip her upside down. Not sure how this is gonna go. It'd help if you guys stayed upright. Starting to get suspicious here. Going pretty good. These are probably important. This gives you a little bit better idea of what we're working with here. This entire rear C channel is just rotted out. It's supposed to look like this. It's missing quite a bit. Now I had tried to patch this. Clearly it didn't really work that well, but it got me through the job I was working on. So I don't know how much more of this I'm going to film. Maybe I'll put you on time lapse, but got a lot of hacking and welding and fitting, so probably just gonna get on with that and catch up with you when we got her together. Oh, there's our scrap pile. Got it all cut out. I wasn't gonna, but cut the hinges off. Here's our new piece. Got a little bit of trimming and some cleaning to do, and get that set in there, tacked off. I like to put things back better in factory. That should be a lot better in factory. So we'll get that tacked in there. I've only got 3 30-second rods. I can't find, I didn't move all my stuff from up home, but yeah. So we're just gonna tack it in for now, I guess. Maybe we'll burn it in with a MIG welder. I wanted to stick weld this project, but I don't know if I feel like running out to get some bigger rods. Well, I apologize. I didn't film a whole lot of any of this, but kind of wanted to just get it done. So we got these hinges welded back on. I was going to make new brackets, but I was able to actually cut these because since I put a bigger tube here, it shrunk it, so I didn't really lose any material, so I had to actually trim these down. Got them welded up. Everything else is here welded all up. We got more weld on here now than there was originally. I was gonna try and brace this again, but the way this dump body works, the frame's actually in the center, so when this goes up, you need this space empty. So I think we're gonna just try and test fit it. I mean, the reason it failed in the first place was for, well, rust. That whole thing was rotted out. So we put a heavier piece of steel that's a solid, well, not solid, it's all one piece box tube, and it's tied in many more places. I think we're going to be okay. I checked our distances here and we should have about a 1/4 inch tolerance. If we need more, I hate to do it, but we can unbolt this, space it out a little bit. But I think we're going to be okay. So get my tools cleaned up, get her flipped back on its belly, and see if we can set this on by ourselves, or we're gonna have to call for help. Well, we got the body suspended. We got the truck up here. Let's see if we can put these two back together. got both pins in. A little bit of a struggle, but not bad. So the way these pins are retained in there, there's a half moon cut into here, and you run a bolt through there. So I'm just gonna put a pipe wrench on here. It looks like I need to index this a little bit. We'll run that bolt through. Then we'll pick the body up with the machine to get that hooked in there. Didn't really take much. Get the other side done. I'll be back with you when I pick the body up. So what I'm going to do now is, since I got the body held up in the machine, I ran the hydraulics up. Should be able to lower it down with the machine some. And then from there we should be able to use the truck's hydraulics to adjust that angle. I'm not sure it's going to work or not. We'll give it a shot. Either this thing got just the right amount of play, or I just got lucky. Look at that, up under its own power. All I gotta do is get these keepers bolts in and we're done here. So we've got our safety prop. It's also held up by the excavator too, so basically we gotta line these two holes up. There we go. Okay, well that's gonna pretty much wrap this up. There was a clear problem. It was rotted out, and then I don't know if it was broke when I got it or not, but Anyway, we fixed it and we fixed it better. If you guys aren't familiar with this truck, I'll probably put a link in the beginning of the video, but I'll put one out here too. I did do a video of buying this truck. Pretty cool. We pulled it home halfway across the state, and yeah, anyway, thank you for watching, and we will catch you on the next one.